Good morning, investors and traders. In today's segment, we'll be discussing about Ethereum's price action, why the price is falling. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, I highly recommend you to do so. As always, risk disclosures and risk warnings are in front of you. If you have any further questions, please feel free to come back to us. Now, as always, a little bit about myself. Um, I come with a wealth of 15 years of trading experience. During this time period, I have worked as a hedge fund trader for Bank of New York Mellon and as an equity trader with Bank of America, currently providing services as a chief analyst for our trade. Now, the time frame which is in front of you is your daily time frame for Ethereum. Now, what this tells us is that for the last 3 days, we are seeing no buying pressure. We are seeing no buying whatsoever. The price is consistently on a downward move, as you can see from here. The price did confirm another new record high on this particular candle, and that was nearly about 4,400, let's just say 4,500 approximately. But after that, the price has been forming low, a lower low, and another low. Similarly, a lower high, another lower high, and another lower high. Now, the big question for investors and traders is that how far this price action is really going to go. Can they get involved in terms of an opportunity, a buy opportunity? So for those investors who like to wait for the price action to come into a better area of support, that is obviously going to be here where the 50-day simple moving average is trading. So we believe that this is a very, very strong level of support. But obviously, before that, we do have another important level of support, which is just around over here. And I believe that the price could certainly bounce from this particular area of support as well. So we have this area of support. No doubt that the price, if it comes over here, we are likely to see the price is moving to the upside if the price comes over here. But at the same time, if the price comes over here, we could potentially see the price moving back to the upside as well, because this is an important area of support, because this is where the double bottom was formed recently as well, and this is where the price moved sharply to the upside as well. But to see the price action in a more proactive, in a more reactive way, investors need to keep an eye on the 4-hour time frame. And on the 4-hour time frame, where the price action is really telling us the price as of now could be forming some sort of another double bottom for air right now. Why? Because we have the first bottom being over here, we have the other bottom being over here. All of what we need in terms of a price action is the price moving above the 50-day simple moving average on the 4-hour time frame, because if that happens, that would confirm that the downward trend that we were very much experiencing in terms of the Ethereum's price action right over here would be no longer valid. The price is likely to move back to the upside from this particular area. Now, of course, if the price continues to fall, then it is this area which we have already mentioned on the daily time frame, where the prices can potentially can come and they can change their direction. They can begin to start moving to the upside, and that is the area of support that we should be very much looking at. So overall, what we are talking about in terms of Ethereum's price action is a possibility of a double bottom forming over here, and especially if the price stays above the 50-day simple moving average, that would confirm to us that the prices are likely to move to the upside from here. That's all for now. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, I highly recommend you to smash that like button and the subscription button. See you guys next time.